Hello, hi everyone. I'm your Bajji sir. Now I'm going to share with you one beautiful video on the topic by name imperative sentences. Imperative sentence in Kannada means Vidyarthaka Vakya. Then what do you say in English for imperative sentence? See here, a sentence which expresses orders, commands, and requests is known as an imperative sentence. Dear students, there are basically four types in imperative sentences. What are they? First one is PO. PO means positive order. Okay. Second one is NO. NO means negative order. Third one is PR. PR means positive request. And fourth one is NR. NR means negative request. These are all imperative sentences. For example, see here. Open the door. Here, this is a positive order. Positive order, you know that, always begins with V1. I mean verb number 1. If you want to change the sentence into negative order, before original form of the main verb, I mean V1, you have to use don't. For example, it becomes don't open the door. Here, before open, you used don't here. So it became don't open the door. Got it? And if you want to change the same sentence into positive request, then you have to use the word please. Okay? Then the sentence will become please open the door. Okay? And similarly, if you want to change the sentence into negative request, here you have to use the word please. Please don't open the door. Please don't open the door. Okay? One more example. Go and sit there. Go and sit there. You know that orders are always made to second person. What's the second person? Second person is you. So it means that before imperative sentence, the subject you is always silent. Okay? Go and sit there. Go and sit there. This is positive order. If you want to change the sentence into negative, again you have to add don't before the main verb. Okay? Don't go and sit there. Don't go and sit there. This is negative order. And make it positive request. Again, positive request means you have to add the word please. Okay? Then the sentence will become please go and sit there. Okay? This is positive request. And if you want to change the sentence into negative order, negative request, the sentence will become, it means you have to use the word please and don't. Please don't go and sit there. Understand? One more example. Ask him. Ask him. Ask him to wash the car. Ask him to wash the car. See here. ask him. Here, instead of him, in the place of him, you may use the word her or them or Ram, etc. Ask him to wash the car. Ask her to wash the car. Ask them to wash the car. Ask Ram to wash the car. Okay? If you want to change the sentence, see here. You have to use the word don't. Don't ask him to wash the car. Don't ask him to wash the car. See, this sentence is purely a direct negative. This is called direct negative. It means second person is ordered not to do something. Understand? And if you want to make indirect negatives, if you want to ask third person not to do something, then how can you pass the message? There is a reason. There is a way to make negative orders, indirect negative orders. How? Ask him not to wash the car. This sentence will become indirect negative. You are asking second person to do something and you are asking third person not to do something. You are passing a negative order via second person. You are passing a negative order to third person via second person. Understand? This type of sentences are called indirect negatives. Indirect negatives. This is a negative sentence, but what kind of negative? This is called indirect negative. Ask him not to go outside without mask. Ask him to wear the mask. Positive sentence. Ask him not to go outside without mask. Ask him to wash the hands. Ask her not to eat anything without washing hands. Such sentences are called indirect negatives. Okay, come on, positive request. Positive request means initially you have to use the word please. Please ask him. Please ask him to wash the car. Please ask him to wash the car. Here, the word ask is ditransitive verb. So it needs an object and to infinitive. I hope this point is clear. And if you want to make the sentence into negative request, again you have to use please. Don't ask him to wash the car. Okay, one more very important point I'd like to share with you. Here the word please is used before the main verb. I mean, at the beginning of a sentence, if you use the word please, it becomes orderly request. Suppose if you use the word please finally, it becomes politeful request. How? Ask him to wash the car, please. This is politeful request. And please ask him to wash the car. This is orderly request. This is orderly request. Orderly request, you know that, is made to your juniors, your close friends, and to your relatives. And politeful request is made to seniors and strangers and higher officers. Okay, I hope this point is clear. Dear students, if this video has helped you in understanding imperative sentences, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't so far. And I'd like to meet you all with one more interesting video next time. Till then, bye.